In today's video, I want to show you how to make a balloon tulip in a pretty simple way. Let's get started. Inflate a balloon in the color of your tulip, leaving about 10-15 centimeters, 4 to 6 inches, of uninflated space at the end. That should be enough. We'll begin with the petals of the flower. To make things easier, I use my hand to measure the length of each section, about 10 centimeters, 4 inches. If your hands are smaller, the measurements in centimeters might be more helpful for you. Make 2 sections of the same length, then twist the balloon so the ends are tightly pressed together. This forms the first part of the tulip. Next, repeat the process and twist the balloon again as shown in the video. This gives you 2 similar sections. Now we'll join both parts into one. To do this, gently press one section into the other, shaping them together. To make your balloon actually look like a tulip, measure out one more section of similar length. Twist it to keep the air in place, cut off the excess balloon, and tie a knot at the twist. Then, using the remaining tail of the balloon, secure this final piece to the flower head. Once the tulip's head is ready, it's time to make the stem. Inflate a green balloon. The length of the first section isn't very important. It can be 8, 10, or 12 centimeters, 3-5 inches. What matters is that the next 2 segments are close in size to one another. After forming all 3 green sections, connect the flower head to the stem. You can use the leftover green balloon after tying the knot. If it's too short, use a scrap from another balloon you may have left over from a previous decoration. It's worth practicing this design. The real magic happens when you have a full bouquet of balloon tulips. Got a question? Leave it in the comments. And don't forget to check out the other balloon flowers on my channel.